Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. Up next is another model kit review, and this is the Batman Batmobile. Up next is another model kit review. This is an open box review. This is the Bandai, the Batman Batmobile, and of course this is the long-awaited Batman movie. Many 3D artists who are also fans of the iconic Caped Vigilante want to learn more about the 3D art related aspects of the film. Luckily for them, at least one of those aspects have been thoroughly explained. The new Batmobile concept designer and vehicle illustrator Benjamin Last has shared a lengthy ArtStation post explaining how the car came to be. And there's a wonderful article on the internet about that. I put a link in the description below explaining how this car was created. Here's the box art, very well illustrated, giving us the front view of the car, the rear view, engine detail, the wheels and tires, overall upper view, interior, side panel there, and the back panel giving us the front view of the car, shot of all the sprues. This is kit number 645258. Let's open this bad boy up and see what's contained within the box. And right away we see some intermingled parts here. It's hard to see with the lights, but the box is full of parts. Go after the instructions here. Very small instruction sheet. And you can see there it gives us all the parts trees on the left. We have some color going on here. Black and white illustrations. It looks like we assemble the engine first. Here's sprue tree A, and this gives us a combination of different types of plastic that are on the tree here. We have some clear plastic for the windshield and the headlights. We also have some red plastic for the tail lights, and then we have like a very flat colored black plastic, matte colored that is. Let's get a closer look. And there's the interior of the car. Very nice. Very well detailed. There's the seat, steering wheel, part of the front suspension. There's the headlights, front windshield. There's the dash. Very well detailed there. Looks like some gear shift knobs. And there's the tail lights. Clear red plastic. Once again, more suspension parts. And here's the next tree, which looks like it contains all the engine parts. And this is tree D. Remember that this kit is snapped together. No glue is required. And here's the engine parts there. Very well detailed. The exhaust system. Wow, that's impressive. And more parts of the engine. The front part. Looks like the turbos. Looks like the brake discs and calipers. And this is our rubber parts. Very, very pliable. But excellent tread pattern. No manufacturer is stamped on the side of the tires. But there is a difference between one side of the tire and the other. You can see there's a lip there. The other side does not have the lip. If you go to store this kit away for later on, make sure that the rubber parts here are bagged separately. So I would actually separate these from the gray parts, because if your storage is a little bit warm during the summertime, could cause the rubber to melt onto those gray plastic parts. And here's sprue tree C. It's a very large tree, but this gives us the roof, the suspension, the bottom of the chassis, roll bars, everything designed to make this car push. But pretty cool. Let's get a close look. There's a roof line, part of the suspension. There's the chassis. More parts of the roll bars. Very cool there. Looks like the gearbox there. Flip this over. Part of the chassis again. And the roof line. Very nice. And the last tree, which contains our fenders, hood, the wheels, front bumper and such. So this is sprue tree B. Let's get a close look. And there's the front fenders. They look very cool. And there's the wheels. There's the front bumper. Very heavy duty. Looks like a battering ramp. Very cool. The hood. Turn this over. Alright, really aren't any details there. Windshield wiper blades there. So when I first saw this car, it really didn't do anything for me in the movie. I kind of wondered why, it didn't look like your traditional Batmobile. But after reading the concepts artist and what they wanted for a car in this movie, basically a battering ramp, right? Something that can just slam and push other cars out of the way, other vehicles, and be powerful enough to do that. Plus being home built, by the Batman, and I have a greater appreciation now for this car, and I think it's very cool. And there you have it. That was an open box review of the Batmobile by Bandai. And after seeing build-ups of this out there on the internet, I definitely will give this kit 5 stars. It's full of parts. Looks like a lot of fun to build, and looks like you could do a lot with this. Not only could you build this box stock just like the Batmobile or the Batman movie, but you could do what you want with this too. You could do a road warrior type car, or you could do, whatever you can think of. It's pretty cool for that. So I hope you enjoyed my content, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for all video upload notifications. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.